Yes, this is Durban Network kwiKhawa Cup eKingswell team. Sebewinile abawinile kwine insizwa le Eastern Cape. Njengamanje ke nginokanu insizwa kaVilakazi, a very huge coach eSouth Africa. Mfowethu uzizwa kanjani ukuba iphathi yeKhawa Cup? Siyabona ukuthi uyingxenye even kwi-organizing team. Kusho ukuthini lokhu ebholeni laselokishini?
Mfowethu ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu. Ngiyayithanda ukuthi mhlambe ngiz-associate nento emuvayo oyibonayo ukuthi ine-progress.
Yes.
iKhawa Cup iqala beside iKhawa Cup uManqoba umngani wami, and as soon as a break i-ice yokuthi yini esemqondweni wakhe noma icabangayo, because umuntu esimaziyo ukuthi ufuna ukubona abafana abancane mhlambe bathola ama-opportunities. So we were there to rally behind him, make sure ukuthi iphupho lakhe liyafezeka. So ukubona ukuthi manje unyaka wokusi-4 lo iKhawa Cup iyarana and iyakhula each and every year, kuyasijabulisa kakhulu because siyabona ukuthi besinga-waste isikhathi sethu, but when you look at ama-stats ukuthi mhlambe kulo 3 years esiphuma kuwo, how many players aseku-professional setup, we're talking about 23-24 players.
Jeez,
that's a huge number.
That's a huge
and into yena beyimjabulisa ukuthi kwi-tournament if angabona nje iplay li-1 lisayinwa, kanti i-tournament yona ngokwayithathela i-direction yayo. We are yet to see ama-stats ukuthi kule Khawa Cup yamanje how many players futhi azothathwa ama-teams futhi, okuyinto emjabulisayo kakhulu.
Abantu bayaphuma mfowethu, i-stadium besigcwele, okuyinto engajwayelekile even on a professional level. Kusho ukuthini lokho?
Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi i-tournament yona ngokwayithathela i-shape yayo mfethu. Masiqala thina ukwenza lento noma si-breaka i-ice yeKhawa Cup, sayivulela sathi sifuna ukuyenza kube yi-open, but mawuthi uyayibheka ngokwe-competition level kuyaphoqa ukuthi manje mawufuna ukuthi uwine mhlawumbe i-stake kufanele usebenzise abafana abancane. So we were hoping nje thina ukuthi ngoba lento iyi-open, sometimes ama-scouters awanaso isikhathi sokuthi ezazobuka abantu abadala, but njengoba ngithi nje i-tournament eyithathela i-shape yayo, and sibe fortunate enough ukuthi bonke abafana abadlalayo la ubona ukuthi abafana aba-under 23 abasanama-chance ukuthi babe-registered ku-professional setup.
Nama-sponsor arespondile, sibona uHollywood esukumethi ufuna ukuhlanganyela nani izinto zenza.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. Sometimes mhlambe ukurelya mhlambe kwi-government ngaleso sikhathi leso kuyaba khona ama-challenges abakhona, ngoba siyazi ukuthi kuyashintsha manje kuphethe lo, manje kuphethe lo, so abafani, but mhlambe sisazopressa futhi kakhulu kwi-sports and recreation ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi i-tournament ikhule kakhulu. But siyawubonga Hollywood bet ngokuthi usi-associate nathi, wenza izinto zabalula for thina. Akulula ukwenza into efana nalena ukuthi ibe successful, but unyaka wokusi-4 manje asikaze sibe nama-challenges, asikaze sibe nama-problems, and we highly appreciate ama-sponsors akhona. iJoma siyayibonga, akekho umuntu mfethu ongaspend imali more than 300,000 kwi-attire yokuthi agqokise ama-team, agqokise i-staff, agqokise wonke umuntu ngemali yakhe kwi-pocket yakhe. So as much as kuyi-business, but we appreciate indlela afaka isandla ngayo.
Mfoka Vilakazi, siyabonga.
Bonga mina bhuti.